Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Matt, and today I'm going to be unbagging the woman's Osprey Palea 26L Daypack. Alright, so I'm not doing an unboxing today because this bag came with other items that I needed immediately, so we're just going to be doing an unbagging. So here's the bag it came in. Some tape on the back. Okay, so first impression of this bag is, wow, look at the quality and looks like the durability of this bag. This thing looks really solid. First thing you notice is the violet or lilac purple looking color, and it's a nice color. It's a woman's bag. It's really not that matters, but it's toned and highlighted with this pink color, but it's very nice, very sleek looking bag. And the way I'm going to be doing this is I'm going to be going over the exterior of the bag with the harness and the front. Then I'm going to dive deep into the pockets and explain what I see inside of these. But the first thing that I noticed, which is really interesting, and this is one of the reasons that we got this bag, is because it has this rigid structure or support. I think they call it a kickstand, that you can pull it out and it should stand up on its own. Right now, obviously, since it's empty, it won't stand up on its own, but it looks really cool and really interesting. It looks like it joints here. It has a hip joint right here to hold it open, but I'm sure that's going to be a really good feature to the bag. Help protect the items inside and everything like that. So besides that, going over the outside is the first thing I noticed is it has the water bottle holders on either side. So whether you're right-handed or left-handed, or want to carry two things of water if you're hiking, or if you're going through your day-to-day grind, you will be able to access the water bottles. Obviously, it has all the literature that all the bags come with, international and everything like that. You see the Osprey logo and symbol, which is it's a pretty cool design. On the very back of the bag, you have this stretchy mesh pocket where you can keep many things. This buckle actually does retract and go in. Let's try it. So, yeah, you can make it larger or smaller, and if you need real access to it, and you want to stuff like a raincoat or any sort of apples or oranges or whatever you want to keep on the outside of your pack for easy access, it has that availability. It has these cool, really durable straps here, where you can either use some sort of strap or a carabiner to hold something on the outside of your bag if you need to. Yeah, wow! This. Just looking at this, you see it looks like the durability and high quality make to it. So that is the back of the bag. Now let's go over this harness system. This harness system is, wow, the quality. You can feel the quality of these straps. This is going to be very, very nice to support any load that you have in here. Obviously it's 26 liters, so however much you can fit into 26 liters, this does look like it will be able to support comfortably. The pack obviously has the across the chest pack to help distribute the weight, and with this, as you see with many new bags, it also has an emergency whistle, or some sort of whistle where you want to get someone's attention. It's pretty good, high quality. And going over these straps, you can see they're very adjustable. Okay, so this is a woman's pack, so it is made so it adjusts differently than men's packs. But this should be a one-size-fits-all. That's why they have these really nice and handy adjustable straps if you need to lower it or raise it on your pack to fit it perfectly in the center low portion of your back. Then it seems very perfect for that. Also, one thing I think it has, because I see it here, it has these little straps here for a hydration tube on either side of these packs. So it looks like you can slide your tube up through here into, yeah, it does, coming out of the main pack, which I'll go over afterward, come down and then put it, if you want to drink, you have your drinking tube on your left side, has that, or if you want to have your drinking tube on your right side, it has that as well. So yeah, so this chest strap, it does slide up and down. It's fairly easy, looks like, yeah. And it looks like it's going to hold really well too. Going down these really nice straps, it has the hip belt as well to help distribute the weight. Also, going over this, it has a very breathable and nice, sturdy backrest. So I think no matter what you're carrying, it will help you hold down, keep your heat regulated, and your body temperature regulated. It has this really nice structure to it, really nice support, and it goes all the way. The whole area of the bag is supported by that metal structure, so it will definitely help keep your items inside protected and help you hold the weight very nicely on your back. Wow, this is just a really high quality bag. Alright, so let's get into the pockets. This first pocket, it looks like this is the small waterproof pocket. Yes, I think this is waterproof, where you can keep your small items, maybe some memory sticks or your phone when you're walking. And I want to show you these zippers. Like, these zippers are really nice quality plastic, and they fit your fingers perfectly to help open and close really easily. This is nice. So that's that first pocket. Now let me get into the second pocket. These are really nice, high quality zippers too. You can see they flow easily. Normally I just rip bags open, but this case I'm taking it nice and delicate. So I open the zippers, and this first pocket has many different storage options. Has a nice key holder, so you don't lose any sort of key or flashlight. It has a big zipper pocket in the bottom, so you can store many different items. And if you can see, let me pull that open, it has other storage compartments where you can put pens or stylus or hard drives or cameras, whatever you want in here, extra batteries, snacks, whatever you want to do. This is really high quality. I like it. So the main pack, you pull it open. It has these compression straps on either side, which really enhances the capability of these bags, so you can store your items in here safely and securely, and keep them tight up against your back like you want to when you're hiking. So the main pack, this is a laptop pack. It has nice cushion back, nice cushion front, and also can probably hold a tablet. I don't know the size of this laptop. I think it's either 13 or 15. I think a 13 would fit in here very nicely. A tablet as well, and then it has a nice zipper pocket in here that's padded. Seems like would go for a Kindle or some sort of tablet, whatever you use, would fit in here really nice. Yeah, this is a really high quality bag. Oh, okay, so the top of this, it does have for your hydration system. You can keep your hydration system in here, or you can somehow put it in the back here, it looks like. But you can send the tube up to the left or up to the right, and down the pack, as I mentioned earlier, on either side. So that's a really good feature. This looks like it will hold a lot, and with these compression straps, you can even with larger bags, if you don't want to carry so much items or so many things, with these compression straps can help keep it so you can carry a lot, or you can carry it a little. But this is going to be a really nice bag, guaranteed to last a while. At least, well, I don't know how long, or depending on how much you push your bags. But this seems like it's going to last a really long time. We're going to try and do a review for it later. But first impression, high quality bag. Thank you. Please subscribe. And we're going to put the specifications down below in the description. Thanks.